Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Does debt feel like a weight you can't escape? Or maybe you're just wondering if there's a better way to handle money. Well, this book promises not just a temporary fix, but a complete financial overhaul. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another deep dive into a book that has changed countless lives. Today, we're unpacking the Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, a no-nonsense guide to transforming your finances and achieving financial freedom. Dave Ramsey's methods are straightforward but powerful. They've helped millions of people take control of their money, eliminate debt, and build wealth. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's unravel the secrets to financial success together. Chapter 1. Introduction. What's a Total Money Makeover? The book begins by challenging conventional financial wisdom. Ramsey argues that most people follow a flawed system of debt and financial stress. Instead, he introduces the concept of a money makeover, a complete shift in how you think about and manage money. Key takeaway: the makeover isn't just about numbers, it's about behavior. Success comes from commitment, discipline, and adopting new habits. Example: Ramsey shares stories of individuals who, through his principles, paid off tens of thousands in debt and built wealth from scratch. Chapter 2. The Myth of Debt. This chapter tackles common myths about debt, such as 1. Debt is a tool for building wealth. 2. You can't live without a credit card. 3. A mortgage is good debt. Ramsey debunks these myths, arguing that debt only adds financial stress and hinders true wealth creation. Key takeaway: debt isn't a tool, it's a trap. Avoid it at all costs. Example: he shares how people often rely on credit cards for emergencies, but saving for an emergency fund is a better approach. Chapter 3. Baby Steps Overview. Ramsey introduces his famous 7 baby steps, which form the backbone of the Total Money Makeover. These steps are designed to guide you from financial chaos to wealth building. The steps are simple but powerful, and they must be followed in order. 1. Save $1,000 for a starter emergency fund. 2. Pay off all debt, except your mortgage, using the debt snowball method. 3. Save 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses for a full emergency fund. 4. Invest 15% of your income for retirement. 5. Save for your children's college education. 6. Pay off your home early. 7. Build wealth and give generously. Key takeaway: the baby steps work because they simplify financial goals, making them achievable and motivating. Chapter 4. Baby Step 1. The Emergency Fund. The first step is saving $1,000 as quickly as possible. This starter emergency fund prevents you from relying on credit cards during unexpected expenses. How to do it: 1. Sell and use items. 2. Cut unnecessary spending. 3. Take on a side hustle if needed. Example: Ramsey shares stories of families who sold furniture or worked extra hours to complete this step in just a few weeks. Chapter 5. Baby Step 2. The Debt Snowball. This is perhaps the most popular and impactful step. List all your debts, except your mortgage, from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Pay off the smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on the others. Once it's paid, roll that payment into the next debt, creating a snowball effect. Key takeaway: the psychological wins from paying off small debts keep you motivated to tackle larger ones. Example: a couple with $30,000 in debt paid it off in 2 years by following the snowball method. Chapter 6. Baby Step 3. Fully Funded Emergency Fund. Once your debts are gone, save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This creates a financial buffer against job loss, medical emergencies, or other unforeseen events. How to calculate: consider monthly expenses like rent, utilities, groceries, and insurance. Key takeaway: a fully funded emergency fund provides peace of mind and prevents you from falling back into debt. Chapter 7. Baby Step 4. Invest 15% for retirement. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of building wealth through retirement accounts like 401k, and IRAs. He recommends investing 15% of your income in growth stock mutual funds. Key takeaway: starting early and consistently investing can lead to substantial wealth over time. Example: a 30-year-old investing $500 monthly can accumulate over $1 million by retirement. Chapter 8. Baby Step 5. Save for college. If you have children, start saving for their education using tax-advantaged accounts like 529 plans or education savings accounts, ESAs. Key takeaway: avoid burdening your kids or yourself with student loan debt. Chapter 9. Baby Step 6. Pay off your mortgage early. This step focuses on achieving total financial freedom by eliminating your mortgage. Ramsey advises making extra payments or refinancing to pay off the loan faster. Key takeaway: a paid-for home gives you unparalleled security and freedom. Chapter 10. Baby Step 7. Build wealth and give generously. The final step is about enjoying your wealth and making a difference. Ramsey believes true wealth isn't just about money. It's about the freedom to live generously. Key takeaway: once you're financially secure, use your resources to help others and leave a legacy. Example: many of Ramsey's followers donate to charities, support missions, or help struggling family members. And there you have it, the Total Money Makeover in a nutshell. Dave Ramsey's approach isn't just about financial strategies. It's about changing your mindset and behavior to achieve lasting success. If you're ready to take control of your finances, start with Baby Step 1 today. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, it's about how you manage it. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this summary and found it valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful book breakdowns that can transform your life. Until next time, take care and start building your financial future today.